So I used to watch this cartoon called Big Guy and Rusty. Big Guy was a man in a giant robot suit that pretended to be a robot that would train Rusty, this little robot, to be the protector of the world, blah, 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 etc. Well, I thought, well, what if Big Guy finally retired? I found this, I think it might even be a Ryan's World robot. But I thought, oh, that looks like Big Rusty. So I'm probably going to give it to my big brother. All I did was, and actually, he can have a driver, but I mean, he's an AI, so he doesn't need a driver. I just covered up anything that identifies him as Orion's World with Rusty's atomic symbol. But that's Big Rusty. This is a 6-inch figure in comparison to Big Rusty. And here's a 4-inch figure in comparison to Big Rusty. I think if you set him down, he might fit. Yep, look at that. Oh, there you go. Big Rusty. From Big Guy and Rusty, all grown up.